I think I done found them, folks. I think I done locked in on them. What's going on YouTube? Hey, it's your boy MJ here on MJ's Fishing Adventure. Folks, I got a good one for you. Now, some of you guys that subscribe to the channel, you may already know this area. I'm over here in Eustis, Florida. I came out here probably about 2 or 3 months ago. I caught the limit on those specs, aka crappie. But today I'm here again today, folks. Now today I'm going after these big boy bluegills. Now the bait that I'm using today, I'm gonna be switching back and forth from either using grass shrimp or crickets. So I'm just trying to figure out what they're gonna be biting on. But if you guys are new to the channel, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let's do it. I'm at the spot. Now, before I came out here, I was surveying the area, looking for indicators for me to let me know that there's fish down there, because a lot of fishing that I do, I don't use electronics. So this is what we look for. We look for bubbles. Now, I'm fishing in the lily pads. This is not a heavy area where I needed the cane pole, so I'm just going to be plucking in some of these areas where the lily pads are at to try to pull out some of these big boy bluegills. I'm using a sinker weight at the bottom, and I have my hook suspended on my line. So I'm going to put that down there. Hopefully we can catch a couple fish. The bait I'm using, like I said before, I'm using grass shrimp and I'm using crickets, because again, I don't know what these fish want. So when I do come out, I like to have a variety. All right, have a nice little spread for these fish. So hopefully we can get a couple in the cooler. All I need you guys to do is lock in. Let's do it. All right, as you can see here, I got my grass shrimp. I'm just gonna hook that on. Like sometimes I like to go with 2. I like to go with 2 grass shrimps on there. Make it look a little presentable down there when it's under that water. So I'm gonna put it out there. Like I said, all I'm doing is just finding a little hole. Finding a little hole. Like I see all, like I say, right now where I just dropped it at, it's a bunch of bubbles. So all I'm gonna be doing, just like the tight line method, just gonna keep my line tight, getting hit already. Probably lost the bait. Oh, still on there. But all you want to do is keep that line tight. Keep that line tight so that you can feel those fish hit. Again, if you don't get a hit, you just find another little hole. Plug it in there. Morning. Morning. Got one. Just like that. Trying to do a little damage. That's what we call a big size, hand size bluegill right there, folks. Like I say, they're down there. I'm just gonna keep plucking along. Now I could have my a cane pole out here for this, what I'm doing, but especially if I want to get like more distance from the area that I'm fishing. But these fish are like right here close in, so it should work with what I got going on right now. Just drop it down there. Just drop it. That was like in a matter of seconds right there. As soon as I put it down there. I ain't playing. We ain't playing, folks. We are not playing. Get out of here. Get him out. Get him out of there, Jizzle. Get him out of there, MJ. Get him out of there, boy. Get him out of there, boy. I think it's a good one too, folks. Okay. Now, that's the problem with fishing in lily pads, man. And this is 4-pound test line by Mr. Crocker. Nice bluegill too. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna see if I can let him just free itself, but if not, I probably done lost this fish and I gotta put the setup back on again. Well, folks, I think I might have to pop this line, because I don't think it's gonna come loose. Just when you fishing in them lily pads, man, you gotta hurry and get them out of there. You gotta put something on it, because once they get wrapped around them lily pads, it's a pain to get them out. All right, got broke off. We're gonna get back out there. Got him that time. Got him that time. Right. See what we got here. Pulled him out that time. Folks, I'm pulling out some big ones, man. Like, this ain't no joke. This ain't no joke right here. It's not a joke, man. These boys are huge. Shoot. Dang. Move around. Lord. Another one done wrapped around a lily pad. Right. Okay. Come on. Good. Come on. Come around this one. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay. Got him out. Got him out, folks. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, now that's skills. Got his butt out. Got him out of them pads. And all I'm doing is just plucking along, man. Just plucking along. Got one. Just plucking along. And these some big boy bluegills coming out of here too. Size at one. The rest of these are definitely slabs. Big boy. All that for that, folks. All in the lily pad. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna feed my little buddy right here. I'll feed him this one, so y'all can see. I knew it. Too many bubbles right there, folks. Too many bubbles. I knew he was right there. Too many bubbles. Oh, there you go. Too many bubbles. Had to be right there. Another one bites the dust. All right, YouTube. Hey, man, that wraps up another episode of MJ's Fishing Adventure. Today, folks, we was after those big boy bluegills, man. I found a nice little honey hole. I was able to lock in on them, man. Caught probably about 14 bluegills in that one crappie. All in all, man, it was a good day. But I got to get out of here, folks, before this heat start coming in. But if you're new to the channel, be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Also, man, I love this love and support that you guys are showing this channel so far. Let's keep it going, man. Let's keep it going. Let's try to get to 5,000 by the end of this summer. 5K. Let's do it. So how we gonna do it? Share it to your families and friends, whoever you need to share it to, man. Hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Peace.